Write out the prime factorization for 99. Now we are going to do this by first making a factor tree. So in order to make a factor tree, you take your number, write it out over here, and think of two numbers that are not 1 and 99 that multiply out to 99. Well, how about 3 and 33? So let's write out 3 and 33. Now, if any of these numbers are prime, circle them. 3 is prime because you can only divide 3 by 1 and itself. 33 is not prime, so we keep going. Think of two numbers that are not 1 and 33 that multiply out to 33. How about 11 and 3? Now, if any of these numbers are prime, circle them. Well, I already know 3 is prime, but you know what? 11 is prime too. So now that I see that our factor tree is done, because all I have are circled numbers connected to branches, I can write out my prime factorization. In order to write out my prime factorization, I list these numbers in order and multiply them all together. So in order, I have 3, 3, and 11. So I'm going to write out 3 times 3 times 11. And that's my prime factorization for 99.